Hi everyone, welcome. We've been working with regular verbs in the present tense in German, and in this lesson we are going to work with an essential must-learn regular verb in German. It's the verb gehen. Gehen. Gehen means to go, and this is a really important verb because it's used very frequently in conversation. Think about it, we are a people on the go. We're always going somewhere every day, so we will frequently use the verb gehen. Okay, so we're going to learn gehen in the present tense. That's das Präsens in German. These are the endings for regular verbs in the present tense. If you know these endings, you can conjugate any regular verb. So let's go ahead and practice. The first thing you do is remove the en from the infinitive and you're left with the root. So here's my root. And all I have to do is add the appropriate ending according to the subject. So if I want to say I go, it's Ich gehe. Ich gehe. You go. That's the informal you. Remember the ending for du is st, so du gehst. Du gehst. You go. He goes. Geht. She goes. Sie geht. You go. That's the formal you. Sie gehen. Now let's look at the plural forms. We go. Wir gehen. You go. This is the informal plural you. Ihr geht. You go. Again, the formal but plural. Sie gehen. And finally, they go. Notice the lowercase s. Sie gehen. Let's look at some vocabulary expressions that we can use with the verb gehen. So, for example, one very important one is nach Hause, which means home. Zum Supermarkt, to the supermarket. Zur Arbeit, to work. And zur Bank, to the bank. So if I want to say I go home or I'm going home, I would say Ich gehe nach Hause. Ich gehe nach Hause. I go to the supermarket or I'm going to the supermarket. Ich gehe zum Supermarkt. Ich gehe zum Supermarkt. I'm going to work. Ich gehe zur Arbeit. Ich gehe zur Arbeit. I go to the bank or I'm going to the bank. Ich gehe zur Bank. Ich gehe zur Bank. You go. Du gehst. You go home or you're going home. Du gehst nach Hause. You go to the supermarket or you're going to the supermarket. Du gehst zum Supermarkt. Du gehst zum Supermarkt. You're going to work. Du gehst zur Arbeit. Or you go to work, you're going to work. Du gehst zur Arbeit. You go to the bank or you are going to the bank. Du gehst zur Bank. Du gehst zur Bank. He goes, or he is going. Geht. He goes home, he's going home. Geht nach Hause. He goes, or he is going to the supermarket. Geht zum Supermarkt. He goes, or he is going to work. Geht zur Arbeit. He is going to the bank, or he goes to the bank. Geht zur Bank. Okay, well that's it for this very important introduction to the verb gehen. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning German and go to the next lesson, click on the video that you see here on your screen. Bis bald!